all about me.
Hello kids, my name is Sam. I am 5 years old.
I am from the USA, United States of America. I study in KG2, Kindergarten 2. I have a brother and a sister. My brother's name is Danny, and my sister's name is Kim. My favorite color is yellow. And my favorite animal is a dinosaur. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite place to visit is Disneyland. And my favorite country to visit is Japan. Konnichiwa. I love skating and riding a bicycle. I want to become a pilot in the future. My favorite toy is an airplane. My hobby is drawing planes and cars. Can you tell me about your hobby? That's great. I have 2 best friends. We love to play together. My family is of 5 people. 3 siblings, a mom and a dad. I love my family. So kids, that was all about me. Can you tell me about yourself too? Thanks for watching.